So this is the functions review exercise where we call out a season. Here I just have the scanner. I define the integer season. That is the one we are going to read after asking for the season. We use the switch, and these are the functions. So depending on the number that the user selects, it's going to go to the case and suggest the season, suggesting if I select case 2, I'm going to suggest winter, or if I select 4, I'm going to select fall, and it's going to break, and it's going to go to the parameter or to the action that the function is doing, the method is doing. So if I run it and I select the season winter number 2, that is the season we are in, it suggests me to wear warm clothes and drink hot chocolate because it will be cold.